Do you want your website to produce better leads more often? I have a great little piece here for you right now. Let's do it. Let's jump into our high converting landing page template. I want you to steal this design. Where's my little face gone? There it is. Okay, awesome. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so this is actually a real live website and my face is blocking the tip. So let's move it. Okay, so I'm going to show you to the actual website. So I just Googled Electra Pools. This is a real website that we have built that is, of course, ranked for its brand name. It's number one for its brand name. These three pieces here are all ads. And here's the real live website. We have built this thing and we're getting it ranked just for the fun of it. Why not? So what you're going to learn today is the key things that make a landing page actually convert. These are the things that you need on your page for it to convert. Now, it needs to have, and bless me, I'm going to do some drawing here. Let's get my highlighter out. Okay, it needs to have a visual banner image. Okay, let's make that a bit bigger. This is the visual banner image. It's actually got a photo of Avoca right there in the banner so that it's obvious. That's Avoca. It connects with the local user. It's so easy to go and get some photos of local areas. So step one, go and do that. Okay, so second thing here is contact form above the fold. So the form is above the fold, very important. This is a very minimal form too. We'll go into that in a second. Video above the fold. So really there should be a video here, but because this is a brand new site that we have just built and there's no one actually running this company, there's no video. But if this was a legitimate company, you should have a video right there. The little YouTube button should be right there. Okay, next is you need some bullet points. So if we actually scroll down a little bit here, we can see, I didn't take the screenshot. Okay, so you need some bullet points. You need some bullet points in your content. So that's a heading. This is a call to action where the phone number actually is. And here we would be putting some bullets of like, can-do landscaping, rock formations, grass laying, plant distribution, like all the things, pool building, all the things that this company does, this make-believe company does. I've pointed out the call to action there and I've pointed out the clear phone number there. So I'm working through that very quickly. Okay, awesome. Let's deep dive into the contact form. Now, of course, this contact form would be connected to a CRM, which therefore would give someone an autoresponder, but we're not going to talk about that right now. That's in the system. Okay, so contact form above the fold, and it's really friendly. See how in the design, it's got all this space around it. See this bit? It's got all this really nice breathing space around it. So it is very calming form, you might say. Now, secondly, it's a very short form. It's basically saying your name, your phone number, your email, and what the hell is going on with your backyard. Submit now. Submit now could definitely be better. Yes, a great button text could be build your pool, build your dream pool, or build your dream backyard. That's a really great movement, momentum, action button that you could put for that form. But it's very clear. It's a very short, sharp, to the point form. And even, I love this bit up here, contact us to see how we can help you today. It's really moving and driving momentum. Okay, next piece here is the SEO piece. Now, yes, you need some content for the robots. SEO, search engine optimization. This is the meat and the potatoes on the page. This is where Google comes and looks at all this content and goes, oh, is that what you do? That's why this content is there, okay? Easy to digest SEO content. Another thing to do is to have some quick action buttons so that someone in the sales process could work out, oh, wow, you do decks and fire pits and landscaping, and they can click on a button and then go to that page. What this also does is, goes back to the robots. The robots can very quickly click all these links and go through your entire website really quickly, which is really good for Google and all the other robots that are now crawling our websites. Now, last thing here is the footer. A footer is the last piece on your website. It's the very bottom, and you can see it's got all the services. It's got a really good, like the official copyright. the brand name, all rights reserved, the ABN, the site map, the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, all the basics are all inside this footer. And if you're in Queensland, you need to have your license number too. Okay, you can get a fine for that. So that's not fine. Bless me, I'm in a mood and I need lunch. Okay, well, that's gone. Okay, so what are you going to do? Is this your next project that you're going to work on? I don't know. If it was, then what's the problem you're solving? I've got ads, but I don't have any conversions. Stephanie, can you please sort that problem out? Yes, if I actually fix this problem, what'll happen? I'll have more money to pay my team. That's fantastic. What does the outcome look like? Okay, I want all my landing pages to look exactly like what Steph said, and I want it done in less than 6 weeks. You can nut out the big chunks and what you want to do to take action, and then what's the thing to get you started? Well, you're going to need access, you're going to need some time, and you're going to need to write some content. That's pretty easy for anyone to do, right? And then you can chip and give it to your team, or you're going to do it yourself. I don't know. All right, so if you want a little bit of help with this, I'm going to be really cool here and go, you can DM me. DM me on Instagram and DM me the word magnetic. And I will get you all the details of how we could do this together. We have a great community where everyone's doing the thing with instructions and templates, just like the one you've seen here, and you are getting it done, getting it shipped from an expert in your niche, except you don't have to do all the things on your own. You're now in a community, in a team, doing it together, setting your goals. Are you ready for that? Join us.